Hey, if you are looking to make extra money in 2025 without leaving your home, this video is for you. Today I will share the top 5 side hustle in the USA that can help you earn $500 or more every single week. Let's get started. First, freelancing. Website like Upwork and Fiverr let you sell skills like graphic design, video editing, writing, or even simple tasks like data entry. The demand for online freelancers is growing every year. Even beginners can earn $20 to $50 per hour once they build a good profile. Second, print on demand. Platform like Redbubble, Teespring, and Merch by Amazon allow you to upload designs and sell t-shirts, mugs, and hoodies without buying inventory. Every time someone orders, you get paid while the platform handles shipping and printing. It's a great way to build passive income. Number 3. Content creation. Content creation in 2025, short form content is exploding. You don't even need to show your face. You can make faceless YouTube videos, TikTok, or Instagram reels around topics like finance, motivation, or tech. Once you build an audience, you earn from ads, sponsorship, and affiliate links. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means promoting products or services through special links and earning a commission for every sale. Big companies like Amazon, Walmart, and even software platforms offer affiliate program. Imagine recommending an app and earning money each time someone sign up. That's how powerful affiliate marketing is. Number 5 is remote online jobs. Many companies in the USA now hire part-time virtual assistant, customer service reps, or social media managers. These jobs often pay between $15 and $30 per every hour, and you can apply directly through websites like Indeed, FlexJobs, or remote.co. So there you have it, 5 powerful side hustle to start in 2025. Whether you want quick cash or long-term passive income, there's something here for everyone. Which hustle would you try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs extra income.